These are the Donald Trump extra wide leg special pant that we'll be treating today.
Then we've also got a white shirt, a tie, and a suit jacket. And we will be treating it with NeverWet, but we'll only be treating one half.
The left half?
Get it right on the zipper. That's perfect. Remember, the instructions say get it wet but not soaked.
And no puddling.
Don't soak it, just get it wet. Next up is the jacket. Now the tie, we're gonna try and get a straight line down the middle of it. Last piece is the shirt. The next step is just wait 24 hours.
All right. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi.
A few moments later.
86,397 Mississippi, 86,398 Mississippi, 86,399 Mississippi, 86,400 Mississippi.
You can tell by where the sun is that was really 24 hours. It's in the same spot, so.
I need to get something to drink.
Suit's all dry and cured. How are we gonna test this?
With my favorite condiments, ketchup and mustard.
Just like spray it at me?
At 150 PSI from the air cannon. To your face. And body.
Oh boy.
And head.
How did I draw the short straw? We didn't even draw straws. Why am I doing this?
I don't remember, but I just kind of went with it. And it seems great.
You're always the one that does stupid stuff. How did I get stuck with this?
Because I'm the professional handle puller.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to do that, so.
I'll teach you sometime, maybe.
A mustard and ketchup slip and slide. Load the cannon. We've got all the water drained out of the tank now. In the barrel we have a wad of saran wrap, a whole bottle of mustard, and then another wad of saran wrap. Kind of keep it all together and make sure it gets the most pressure behind it. So do not try this at home. Does this apply here?
You can try it at your friend's home, though.
Okay.
We need to aim it at his head.
Not my head, my chest.
Chest.
Don't aim for my head.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Oh! I can't see a thing!
That actually worked just about perfect.
Can you tell which side had the NeverWet on it?
You
I think it's pretty obvious.
close, you can see little mustard beads.
And then this side is just a lot more covered.
Yeah.
The tie though, it almost looks like you can't even tell a difference between the two sides.
Maybe the tie was already coated in NeverWet.
The shirt, I mean, I didn't get a lot on it. Pants didn't get a lot. It looks the same. The jacket's the only thing that you can really tell.
Smeared just across the whole thing.
No, it's like the same on both sides. It smears the same. Doesn't look like it works on ties.
What about on your face?
My face was not treated with NeverWet.
Okay.
But I think we got to try a second one now with ketchup.
Okay, I've got a lot of ketchup for you.
Should I aim for his face now?
No.
Ready?
Please no.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that one was a little stronger. Yeah. I can feel that one more.
Yeah, that seemed a little bit more thump to it. Your shirt is nice and orange. So that was a direct hit.
Holy cow.
That one was a lot stronger. That was like, did you say that's twice the amount that we did on mustard, or
I'd
three
say
times?
at least twice.
And it looks like it didn't care if there was NeverWet or not. The Tide did a pretty good job of keeping it clean. But like left and right side, I don't know. I'd say your suit's ruined no matter what. Wouldn't you?
Should we take it to a dry cleaners next?
Just like this. Don't like hose it off or anything. I say we do one more though of both ketchup and mustard. Mix them together.
Okay.
And I can only take one more shot and then I'm done.
I'm good with that.
You try not to have a face this time.
I'm trying really hard.
Just smile, smile with teeth. You got it, Dan. Yeah.
Oh! That one hurt a little more.
How do you feel, Dan?
I think we've done enough tests to determine that NeverWet is not effective against mustard and ketchup. Look how thick that is. How much is on my face?
A good amount.
Can you see an outline of the safety glasses?
Yep.
Well, this is the next test. See if it soaked through on either side. Yeah, there's a tiny bit of soaking right there.
On the non-treated side.
Yeah. There's some soaking
There's a
down
little
here
bit
on the
up.
treated side
There's a
too.
little bit up high. Not
By
too
your
much.
collar.
This glove was heavily treated with NeverWet.
Not so much that it was soaked, but just wet.
So the way the instructions said to do it. And it did not do very well. Like the mustard even stained it. This is after we washed it off. And like water doesn't really beat up on it. We were gonna cut this with the water jet after, but it's already failed so miserably that
We didn't want to embarrass it.
yeah. Anyway, that's another helpful product review by the Waterjet Channel. What rating do we give this product?
For our purposes, I'd give it a 2.
There you have it. No other reference of what kind of scale that is.
Just a 2.